Samsung has made one of the biggest changes in the history of its foldable phones, making the fold wider and shorter instead of narrow and tall. Some are calling it the phone of the year, but some users are actually going back to the older model because of this exact change. So why is the same design decision impressing some people while frustrating others? This is the Galaxy Z Fold 8. It starts at $1,899 and weighs just 201 grams. According to Samsung, it is one of the lightest foldable flagships on the market. Sales also got off to a much stronger start than expected. The Galaxy Z8 series recorded 1.44 million pre-orders in South Korea during just 7 days. That broke Samsung Galaxy's previous pre-order record. Globally, pre-orders were also more than 30% higher than the previous generation. But numbers are one thing. Living with the phone every day is another. Older Fold models had a narrow, tall outer display, which many people found uncomfortable for typing and browsing. Now, the outer screen is wider. On paper, that sounds like a clear improvement, but that extra width is also making one-handed use more difficult for some people. After using the device for several weeks, users have been pointing out something interesting. The wider outer display can actually be more convenient because you don't have to unfold the phone every time you want to do something quickly. But that same wider shape is bothering others. Some users have even preferred to return to the older, more familiar design after a short time with the Fold 8. In other words, one design change has split users into two very different groups. Once the phone is unfolded, though, there is one thing many users agree on. The larger inner display makes a real difference for multitasking, working with documents and watching content at night. On top of that, the new construction and display technology have made the crease less noticeable. But the camera is still a point of debate. There is no telephoto lens, and some users are not satisfied with the results. There have also been reports online about the processor getting hot. However, many owners haven't experienced this problem at all. So for now, it would be difficult to call overheating a universal Fold 8 issue. User experiences clearly vary. So, did this design change make the Fold 8 better or worse? The answer is both. The wider design is a major advantage for multitasking and the larger screen experience. But for one-handed use in typing, some users see it as a step backward. If you work on a large screen, watch a lot of content, or like having multiple apps open side by side, this phone was practically built for you. But if quick one-handed typing and easy handling matter, more to you, an older, narrower Fold might actually be a better fit. At $1,900, this isn't a cheap decision. So the question isn't simply whether you like or dislike the Fold 8. It comes down to how you actually use your phone. Samsung changed one shape, and in doing so, created two completely different groups of users, and that's exactly why the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is a phone that nobody seems to feel indifferent about.